Hi students, a very good morning to everyone. It's my immense pleasure to meet you all through this video chat, and I am very happy to give answer for your queries. Now let me take our queries. Question number 1. What are the objectives of introducing this applied mass? So we have so many objectives of introducing this applied mathematics. So let me list some few objectives. Number 1, to develop an understanding of basic mathematical and statistical tools and their applications in the field of commerce, business, finance, economics and social science. To model real-world problems into mathematical expression using numerical, algebraic, graphical representation. To make sense from the data by organizing, representing, interpreting, analyzing, and by making meaningful inferences from the real-world situation. To develop logical reasoning skills and apply the same in problem solving. To make a connection between mathematics and other disciplines. These are all the main objective of introducing this applied mathematics. Clear? Now the question number 2. Why CBSE introduced this subject? See, mathematics is an important subject which helps students to choose various fields of their choices. Maths is widely used in higher studies in the field of economics, commerce, social science and many others. This existing maths, that is 041 syllabus of maths, is related with the science but not with commerce based subjects. By keeping this in mind, this elective course 241, that is applied mathematics, is offered in senior secondary level. Are you clear why CBSE has introduced this subject? This is main objective of introducing this subject. Okay. Now next say another question. Can student opt both applied maths and pure maths? Not at all. The student can take only one, either pure maths, that is 041, or applied mathematics, that is 241 code. Clear? Now another question, what are the career options by taking this applied mathematics? Already I told you every stream have huge opportunities. As per your interest, you can choose your career. But for opting this applied mathematics, you can go further actuarial science, civil engineer, computer programmer, computer system analyst, economist, financial analyst, biotech, and then chemical engineering, textile engineering. We have so many opportunities. Clear to you? Now another question, which one is better, either pure maths or applied maths? There is no comparison at all. As per your career option, you have to choose any one. Pure maths is maths done for its own sake. Applied maths is maths with a practical use. Pure maths is separate from physical world, like calculus, like differentiation and application of derivative, that is completely calculus. But applied maths is completely related to physical world, for example percentage, ratio and proportion, etc. Are you clear? So there is no comparison at all. Okay. So another question, is applied maths is easy? No, not at all. Both are different. Pure maths is different and applied maths is different. There is no easy difficulty. There is no comparison at all. Are you clear? Okay. So it is not at all easy. This is a different level and pure maths is a different level. Then another question, can a science student become CA? Why not? CA is a course of patience and dedication. Every student can pursue this course after 12th examination. Either PCM, physics chemistry maths, or PCB, physics chemistry bio, can do CA. But one thing keep in your mind, you should have good understanding in economics and accountancy of class 11th and 12th for doing this CA and appearing CPT exam. This is the main subject, accountancy and economics. Means after finishing your 12th standard, you have to prepare accountancy and economics so that it will help for appearing entrance exam and further doing this CA. So every student can do CA. Are you clear? Then next come to another question. Another question. Can art students take pure maths? Whichever stream, if you had standard maths in 10th standard, you have choice to choose pure maths or applied maths. That is up to your choice. In case if you had standard maths, if you have basic maths in 10th standard, then you do not have choice at all. You can opt to only one applied mathematics. So whichever stream you can take, if you had standard in 10th standard maths in 10th standard, you can opt to pure maths whatever the stream taken in 11th standard. Are you clear this question? Now next question. Can it be possible to opt for both psychology and economics? Now listen, CBSE never say any combination of this subject. They have introduced so many subjects. You can choose 6 subject or 5 subject. Okay. So, but what your school is offering for you, as per that you have to go for that option. Okay, fine. So that is up to your choice, but you kindly cooperate with your school, whatever your school giving option, that you have to go for that. Okay, clear? Now another question, is there any option so that I can take IP as an additional subject and physical education as a 5th main subject? See, why we are taking 6th subject or 6 subjects? That will help for your result, that will improve your percentage level. That's why we have this option 6 subjects, but we will consider aggregate only for 5 subjects. So whatever you are scoring best 5 subjects, that they will consider it. So there is no additional main subject. So you can take IP also as an additional subject. But you should cooperate with your school. What your school is saying, as per that you have to go for that. Clear to you? Okay, next another question. Can student with maths, this basic, can take pure maths after appearing compartment standard maths? Okay, that means you had in 10th standard basic maths, you are asking now can we appear compartment paper that is standard maths, then we can take 11th standard pure maths. That is your question. Yes, anyhow, with this question I don't have answer, only time will say. Earlier CBSE has given guidance to us. That means this basic student can appear compartment paper for clearing standard mathematics, so that they can further proceed pure maths in 11th standard. But right now situation is very harder for everyone, so I cannot comment on this question. Only time will give you answer. So if you had basic mathematics in 10th standard, you can opt only for applied mathematics in 11th standard. Are you clear? Now anyhow, that another question, can we change our decision of taking 6th subject afterwards? Of course you have choice. Okay, you can change your subject before doing registration of 11th standard to CBSE. That will be done in the month of August end. But my advice is, do not change your subject frequently. That will create problem to understanding of concept of your subject. So you decide yourself what I required, then you have to choose. So my advice, do not say change your subject frequently. Clear to you? Now next question, I had basic maths in 10th standard. Now I want to take non-medical as my desire is to pursue BArch, that is architecture. So what I have to do? Already I told you, for doing this BArch you have to clear either JEE main or otherwise NATA, that is National Aptitude Test in Architecture. For both this entrance exam we required pure mathematics, that is calculus we required. So if you had basic mathematics in 10th standard, you cannot opt pure maths in 11th standard. So only time will give you answer if CBSE conduct compartment paper in month of July. So definitely you have chance to appear this standard mathematics, and then you can take, after clearing standard mathematics you can take pure maths in 11th standard. So only time will give answer to you. Are you clear? Then anyhow, and then another question, can medical student opt pure maths or applied maths? Of course, that's I told you. Suppose if you had standard mathematics in 10th standard, you are a medical student, definitely you can take either pure maths or applied mathematics. Why we are taking along with the medical mathematics, either you can appear NEET exam, NEET entrance exam, or JEE main exam. So but if you have take this applied mathematics, that means you had basic mathematics in 10th standard, so that one medical student can opt applied mathematics in 11th standard. So this subject will help for various entrance exam. For example, if you want to appear BBA, BCA, so many various entrance exam you can appear. There we required reasoning, logical. So these are all topics we will see in applied mathematics. Even in physics you required log, how to find log value. That also chapter is introduced in this applied mathematics. So subject definitely will help you for your further study. Are you clear? Okay, now anyhow, you whatever you asked questions, that's I have given answer. If you have further any queries, any questions, you can write your questions below my video so that I can clear your doubts. Clear? Okay, anyhow, dear students, beyond all these things, health and your safety is a first priority. Lockdown is not a permanent solution. After lockdown, we have to follow social distancing, wear mask, maintain hygiene, use sanitizer frequently, wash your hands. Start living with corona and fight against virus. Drink hot water. Download Arogya Setu app issued by government. With Arogya Setu, you can protect yourself, your family and friends, and help our country in the effort to fight COVID-19. Enjoy with your family, focus on your study, read good books, develop your personality, utilize this time at your level best. Clear to everyone? Stay blessed, stay safe, stay at your home. Thank you.